Okay guys, big day. I'm getting ready to start this GasGas MC85 up for the very first time. And yeah, I want to hear the sound of this FMF pipe. Yeah, you know, I got the correct power dial on there. I rejetted the carburetor. I just went to a leaner idle jet just to suit my riding area and elevation and temperature and all that, right? But I'm really interested in how it sounds with that pipe. Now, yeah, I don't have a chain on here. I know I'm not riding it. I haven't put the chain on yet. I'm waiting on it to come in, some parts that I ordered. But yeah, it's looking good. But yeah, I'm anxious to hear it for the very first time. You guys get to hear it with me. So let's stop wasting time and fire the sucker up. Well, that sounds good to me. What do you guys think? Brand new pipe, brand new bike. Just needs to be ridden now. But look at that. Sweet. Yeah, it's looking good. I can't wait to get it out. It's a good build. Sweet motorcycle. It's gonna be a lot of fun to ride, I'm sure. Anyway, hope you guys like that quick sound test. And yeah, stay tuned for some serious riding on this thing.